Doctors say there are a number of things that can cause brain fog, including lack of sleep, stress, even medication. However, medical professionals are now looking more in depth at how excessive alcohol use contributes. As a part of our Ask the Expert series, 7 News anchor Kelsey O'Donnell spoke with a doctor from Bon Secours about the connection between excessive alcohol use and brain fog.
Brain fog.
It's anything that impairs your ability to think clearly and you start having memory issues.
Bon Secours Dr. Anand Swamy says it's caused by an array of things that impact the way you think, act, and live your life. Researchers are now looking at how excessive alcohol use contributes to things like memory loss, difficulty thinking, and your ability to make decisions. Here's why.
So alcohol, at its heart is a neurotoxin. It amplifies the inhibitory signals and it actually slows down the excitatory signal. So it leads to a kind of constant, slow, depressed state.
Findings from the Providence Project, a drug rehabilitation center in the UK, show excessive alcohol consumption impacts the brain's neurotransmitters, which can slow your response times. Dr. Swamy says the key in this case with alcohol consumption is moderation.
All in all, when done in excess, it can lead to a multitude of medical complications.
Those medical complications, doctors say, include but are not limited to issues with your heart or blood pressure, along with a potential impact on relationships.
As soon as you start noticing changes in your behavior and how you're interacting, it slows down your reaction time. I think that would be the time when it's time to back off.
Oftentimes, doctors use the acronym CAGE to help patients determine when it's time to seek help. Have you felt the need to cut down on your drinking? Do you feel annoyed by people complaining about your drinking? Do you ever feel guilty about your drinking? Or do you ever take an early morning drink to get the day started or get rid of a hangover? If the answer is yes to any of these, doctors say it's time to seek professional help.
So if brain fog goes untreated, or even alcoholism in general goes untreated, then it leads to more severe complications. You start developing what's called alcoholic dementia, you start developing memory issues.
Doctors say there are a number of treatment options, which include a plan to stop drinking, a balanced diet and exercise routine, and getting adequate sleep. For this week's Ask the Expert, I'm Kelsey O'Donnell.
The CDC's moderate drinking recommendations include 2 drinks or less per day for men, 1 drink or less per day for a woman. Remember that you can submit a health topic for our Ask the Expert series. Head to our website, click the News tab, then click Ask the Expert.